Apple's AirPods Pro 2 just took a huge step forward in hearing health. The FDA has authorized Apple's new software that allows the second-gen AirPods Pro to function as over-the-counter hearing aids, marking the first time such approval has been granted. Tested on 118 people with mild to moderate hearing loss, the results showed the self-fitting feature worked as well as a professional fitting. This is part of Apple's continued focus on hearing health. The AirPods Pro 2 will also offer a hearing protection mode for loud environments and a new hearing test feature that creates a personalized audio profile through the Apple Health app. With 1.5 billion people worldwide experiencing hearing loss, Apple's move could reduce stigma and make hearing aids more accessible and affordable for many.